fickle prepping planet.
Picture this. The wind screams outside like a warning, temperatures plummet, and the lights die without mercy, leaving you in an icy grip of darkness. Your breath clouds the air, your kids shiver under thin blankets, and the cold seeps in like a silent predator. In that moment, every choice matters because knowing what to do could mean the difference between survival and disaster. This isn't just advice, it's a lifeline to save you and your loved ones when winter's fury strikes, even on a tight budget. Winter survival. Prepping for extreme cold weather scenarios on a budget. Winter can be brutal, especially when extreme cold weather sets in. Staying safe and warm doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and some practical strategies, you can prepare for freezing conditions even on a tight budget. Here's how. 1. Layer smart. Not expensive. Investing in expensive winter gear isn't always an option, but layering correctly can be just as effective. Use what you already have. Base layer. Start with tight-fitting clothes like leggings or thermal underwear to trap heat close to your body. If you don't own thermals, try snug-fitting t-shirts or even old tights. Middle layer. Add insulation with sweaters or fleece. Wool or synthetic fabrics work best to hold warmth. Outer layer. Finish with a windproof and waterproof jacket. If you don't have one, repurpose a raincoat by wearing it over multiple layers. DIY hand and foot warmers. Fill old socks with rice or beans, tie them off, and microwave for a minute. They'll stay warm for hours. 2. Keep your living space warm. Heating your entire home can be costly, but you can stay warm by focusing on smaller spaces. Designate a warm zone. Use one room as your primary living area. Close off other rooms to conserve heat. DIY draft stoppers. Roll up towels or use old socks stuffed with fabric scraps to block drafts under doors and windows. Bubble wrap windows. Tape bubble wrap to your windows to act as insulation. It's cheap and surprisingly effective. Reflective heat. Place aluminum foil behind radiators or space heaters to reflect heat back into the room. 3. Food and hydration. Cold weather demands more calories to keep your body warm. Stock up on affordable, high-energy foods. Quick energy boosts. Oats, peanut butter, rice, beans, and canned soups are cheap and filling. Hot beverages. Drink warm liquids like tea, coffee, or homemade soups to stay hydrated and warm. Add a pinch of ginger or cinnamon for an extra warming effect. Batch cooking. Cook meals in bulk to save energy and time, reheating portions when needed. 4. Stay active indoors. Physical activity can generate body heat. Simple exercises, jumping jacks, push-ups, or even dancing can warm you up quickly. Keep moving. Avoid sitting still for too long. Periodic movement helps keep circulation going and your body warm. 5. Use what you have for insulation. You don't need expensive insulation materials to stay warm. Blanket forts. Build a cocoon around your bed or couch using blankets, sheets, or even heavy curtains. Layer your bed. Use multiple layers of blankets. If you don't have enough, layer coats or towels on top. Cardboard mats. Place cardboard or newspapers under your bedding or rugs to block the cold from the floor. 6. Emergency lighting and heating. Power outages are common during extreme winter weather. Prepare with low-cost solutions, candles and lanterns. Stock up on candles and place them in glass jars for safety and better heat distribution. Terracotta pot. Heater. Use a terracotta flower pot and a few candles to create a makeshift heater. Place the pot upside down over the candles on a safe surface to radiate heat. 7. Protect your body from frostbite. Prevent frostbite when venturing outdoors. Protect extremities, layer socks, and wear waterproof shoes. Double up on gloves and consider wrapping scarves around your hands if gloves aren't enough. DIY scarves and hats. Old shirts or sweaters can be cut into makeshift scarves or hoods. Focus on covering your head and neck since these areas lose heat quickly. Vaseline barrier. Apply Vaseline to exposed skin to create a moisture barrier against wind chill. 8. Mental resilience. Cold weather survival is as much mental as it is physical. Stay positive. Focus on gratitude for what you have: blankets, a roof over your head, or even warm food. Keep busy. Engage in activities like reading, crafting, or watching movies to distract from the cold. 9. Community and sharing resources. Buddy system. Team up with neighbors to share warmth and resources. One family might have an extra heater, while another might have extra blankets. Community centers. If heating becomes impossible, many community centers or libraries offer warmth during the day. Local charities. Check for organizations giving out free winter clothing or heating resources. Extreme cold can be tough, but resourcefulness and a sense of community can go a long way. These budget-friendly strategies